evening, everyone. My name is Daniel Leshaba, and I'm from Spaza 101, hashtag Spaza Shop. How many of you grown in the hood and they know what Spazas are? How many of you got products that you can't market and you need a platform to market your product 24 hours? How many of you? How many of you have service that you need to market 24 hours? Okay, no problem. Spaza 101, it's a platform that we created for young entrepreneurs. You can even cover the large one, but we focus on young ones. We want you, with the unique product that you created, to bring it to us, and then we say, let us put it online and market you. Let us put it online and sell it to the other people out there. You have 24 hours to sell your product. I'm telling you, when you're sleeping, you will hear that ching-ching in your pockets. I'm telling you. That's 24 hours. I know you'll be asking, who's gonna deliver? It's fine, we got that covered. If a person buys before 1 o'clock, they can get their product delivered same day. Some of the guys say, hey, I use credit card, I use debit card. How safe is my card? Trust me, Standard Bank, we got them on there. And the other guys, I'm not gonna mention, but you know, but I'm gonna focus on Standard Bank. That's the good thing about us. So what we're saying is that young entrepreneurs, we're looking for you. We want to take your product online. We want the world to know about those unique products that we as South Africans are proud of. That will increase our GDP. That will create the jobs in South Africa. That will create and that will actually decrease unemployment. And we can live as a rainbow nation because our slogan, it's simple. It's shopping local, it's lekker. So if you know you got a product, you know who to contact. Our email are waiting for you. Thank you very much.